Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Lioness Pro and this is lab 8.9.7 and we are going to change directory ownership. So during a random security audit, you found that the user of a group ownership for the /HR directory is set to Will Adams. For security reasons, you need to change the ownership. You want to give ownership to Brenda Cassini, the office manager, and you want to also give ownership to the HR group for all the files in the directory. After you do this, you need to reset group ownership in the /HR/personnel file to management1. Then complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to give B. Cassini ownership of the /HR directory and all of its content, and also give the HR group ownership of the /HR directory and all of its content. Return group ownership of the /HR/personnel file to the management1. So we'll go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so we wait for the lab to load. So if by the end of this video you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video access and how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to my other educational videos on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we'll still wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal. And the terminal is loaded, and we type in from the first task, we are supposed to type in John space -R space B Cassini 'HR space /HR, and then you press enter. Also type in John, or CH, not John, CHGRP, we stand for change group by the way, space management1 and space /HR/personnel, and then you press enter. Let's go ahead and score lab. So in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.